If you have ever stared at a blank Microsoft document or a very messy Excel spreadsheet and felt totally stuck, you are in the right place. How's it? And welcome. Whether you are a corporate professional trying to build a Microsoft Excel interactive dashboard, or an office worker responsible for data analysis, and not even to mention a grade 10 student trying to pass his practical exams, this channel is your ultimate Microsoft Office rescue zone. I've totally redesigned this channel specifically for you so that you can find whatever you need without any clutter. There are two specific playlists for the corporate environment, one in English and one in Afrikaans. The one in English is called the Microsoft Excel Complete Masterclass. Here you will find advanced formulas, design tips for your dashboards, and also Power Query automation. The second playlist for the corporate environment is called Microsoft Excel vir Besighede. Here you will find step-by-step instructions and lessons from a beginner's level to an advanced level. If you are a corporate manager or a business owner, these playlists are only a showcase of what is available and possible. If you find that your team are wasting hours updating spreadsheets, or maybe you are in need of customized training or dashboard design for your company or business, please find my contact details in the description below. Now let's talk school, especially grade 10. When you're in grade 10, you have the option to take the CAT syllabus or the RTT syllabus. These are introductions to Microsoft Office Suite. This can be overwhelming for most of students starting off with these subjects. So for them, I've also created an English channel called CAT and an Afrikaans channel for RTT. Here you will find practical ways and examples covering the syllabus. Doesn't matter where you are on your journey, whether it is to upskill your workforce or to help your grade 10 child to prepare for his first practical exam. It is my ultimate goal with this channel to make Microsoft Office accessible to everyone with easy step-by-step examples. If you want to support free, high-quality South African digital education, please press the subscribe button. Now, let's go over to the playlist, select the one that suits you the best,